I guess I dropped you. So this is the start of another video. Anyway, whatever. Anyway, I dropped the video, dropped the camera, and I did that. So whatever. So now I'm just going to toss the box outside. I'll get into Urn to get rid of it. Oh, whatever. And then, so I hope I didn't lose all that footage, but I did. I think I did. So anyway, this is a flywheel. The swingway binding thing, the binding I bought, and the inside part box. So this is, I don't know what this is. This is a bunch of stuff, which, I don't know, just a bunch of stuff. Oh, okay. And then I got something else, which is, oh, this is a light. The Flex 20 light. Okay, I got that. Anything else in here? I do have a habit of accidentally throwing things away when I'm not supposed to. So this can go outside. And then this can go there. This can go here, there, and it can go there. So this is obviously the box that goes in. God, I've really got to clean my boat up. That's not a knife. This is a knife. Alright. Obviously this is the case that goes in. So oh, some more foamy stuff to keep. The stuff squeaks. Yes, I'm going to keep that. I can go up in my to get to pile. Oh wow, more anti-squeak foamy stuff. Okay, this is the case. Ooh, ready. This is the case. And we got some more anti-squeak foamy stuff. Oh cool. Alright. So this is the case done. And that's right. So this is the sewing machine itself, I guess. Oh, you got one. Keep this packaging. Just keep this packaging. I guess I'm going to have to keep this packaging. It's just going to be a real pain because, as you know, space on a boat, real estate on a boat is at a premium. So I don't know where I'm going to keep this packaging at. You think the other one, the other box that I just threw out there, this one there would be the best one to keep because that would hold. You keep your sewing machine in that and you send the whole thing back. That doesn't make sense. So, alright. Let's throw these out, see if the fish will eat them. Oh, okay. Alright, another one. Always bring knives towards you, boys and girls. So, now I'm going to cut the top. Alright. Oh, I guess I broke my box. So this is the top of it. So that, and so I gotta flip it upside down. So let's flip it upside down, shall we? Okay, let's flip it upside down and get it out. Honestly, I'm going to keep that box that's out there to ever send it back in, because it's going to go back in this box if I ever have to send it back for repairs. So I'm going to keep that box, throw this box away, because I don't have the room in my boat to store them. Oh shit. I don't have the room in my boat to store this. As good as that sounds, I don't have the room in my boat to store this stuff, so I'm going to keep the box outside. This one here, lay it down flat, and I'll send, if it needs repairs, I'll send my sewing machine back in this, inside of that. So that's what I'm going to do. So alright, so this is the rod for the, I swear these are all made in China, because these are just packed too neatly to be made here. So I swear these are made in China. I'm convinced that they're made in China, because I've seen the same ones made in China. So where's that thing? There we go. Okay, let's try this thing down flat. This down flat. Okay. Oh, it keeps going flat all the time. What the fuck? Yeah. So there it is, in all of its glory. Yeah, these are getting thrown away. I can't keep these in my boat because they take up too much room. So I'm going to pitch those, and I'm going to send it back in this if I ever need to send it back. This is, oh shit, this is a cheap ass looking. See, this is made in China, because this is a cheap ass balance wheel plastic. So this was metal. Well, that could go in the recycler. What would you use this for? Does anybody know? What would you use a plastic balance wheel for? So there's like, I don't know, 1/4 pound of weight they could have saved by not even including this. This is just wasted plastic. This is plastic. What would you use it? Tell me, what would you use that for? Honestly, it's plastic. See? Plastic. What a waste of money. This is obviously the guard, and this is the sewing machine. Sorry about the light, but I don't have any light in my boat. Crap. Oh, whatever. So, anyway, so this is the sewing machine, which I'm going to try and get out now. There's bits in there. Okay, there's bits in there. There's an oil thing. Squeaky, squeaky, squeaky. Or a KY jelly dispenser. Oh, it's got oil in it. Oh wow, that's got oil in it. Okay. And then this is tool parts. So this is tool parts. And this is goes outside. And then this is the sewing machine. Oh. Alright. We'll tell the government's a sacred site. Okay, so... Okay, well... Anyway, this is it, I guess. It's pre-threaded. Oh, it's got threaded for some reason. I don't know why. Yeah, whatever. What's that? I don't know what that was. Dude, it's tiny. Dude, it's not very big at all. Wow. Wow, that's not very big at all. Oh my gosh. Wow. Huh. There's a needle on it in there threaded already. Must have been a practice thing. Huh. Wow. It's a piece of... I don't know what that is. How the hell does... How did Doug on S3 Seeker sail those massive big sails with this thing? Isn't this what you've got, Doug? I'm not sure. Okay, it's needle center, needle left, needle right. Okay. Okay, and then this is stitch from straight to zigzag. Okay. And then this is the thread thing, length, and forwards and backwards, I guess. And then this is the, I don't know, some tag, certification tag, inspection tag. And then this is the balance wheel thing, E. So Doug Jackson, how did on S3 Seeker, how did you sail those big sails with this thing, or did you get a bigger model? Because this thing is tiny. I mean, seriously, this thing is so small. I expected it to look bigger. It always looks big on TV. So, yeah, that's not very big at all. Wow. Alright, get it. That's not very big at all. Let's see what we got. Hang on a second. Let's put some big size comparison to it. Okay. Let's get who's this dude? Ulysses Grant. Let's get a Ulysses Grant for size comparison. Alright. So whatever. Yeah. There's a Ulysses Grant for size comparison. That is not very wide at all. Seriously. There's a Ulysses Grant there. That's not very wide at all. And then it's doing this way. That's not very wide at all either. Oh my gosh, this thing's so tiny. Maybe we should have got the bigger one. But then that's not a portable machine. This is so small. Oh my gosh, how am I going to... There's hardly no room there. Look at that. That's so tiny. And then, of course, stand this up on its end. It's even smaller. My gosh, look at that. It's even smaller. Wow, this is tiny. Wow. Very small. So I guess it's small for Ulysses Grant too. So look at that. Wow. Alright, well, I guess that's what I got. So anyway. I'm gonna have to find some covers and cut something. Cut this thread off. Yeah, whatever that is. I mean, I'll play with that later, but whatever. That is the LZ1 unboxing, folks. So we've got the sewing machine, the case, the KY lube thing, bottle, the KY jelly, some bobbins and some miscellaneous tools, etc. The flywheel handle for hand cranking, I don't know what this is. Oh, whatever that is, I don't know. The cover, the crap ass waste of money plastic flywheel thing, which I do not know what you would use this for. The swing away binder. I think I'm going to get another one of these. I'm going to get a 1.5 inch and maybe a 3/4 inch one. I'll get a couple more of those. The thread plate thing. The flywheel. The posi traction butt plug thing. I don't know what that is. A bunch of other bits and pieces in here, and I guess this is the power cord and some instructions on some thread and some bits and pieces in here. So, and then the Flexlight 20. So this is what I got so far. So this is unboxing. I'm going to end this video, and I'll do another video and maybe setting it up. I'll catch you later. Bye. SY Sublime.